10, 7, 5, and 3. This is the 8-pack of fabric grow bags, and the brand sent this to me so that I can do a review for you. So this 8-pack comes in 4 different sizes. It comes in 3-gallon, 5-gallon, 7-gallon, and 10-gallon, and there's 2 of each size. And I will be demonstrating for you 10-gallon. Because I am going to be using this for valerian root, and I'm going to want to overwinter this. And the reason why I want the valerian root in a grow bag is because the fact that grow bags air prune the roots, and then that way in 2 years all I have to do to harvest the roots is empty the bag. Okay. I can't leave this out in our harsh Wisconsin winters, just like this, because the roots will freeze. So what I will need to be doing is actually taking this into like my garage or underneath the stairs of the garage, and just make sure that it gets about 1 cup to 2 cups of water per month. But then next spring, I'll be able to bring it back out and have it continue to grow. And so it's a beautiful thing to have grow bags, because you can move these around wherever you need them. You can follow the sun. You can transfer them, like I said, into the garage or underneath the stairs outside, to keep them semi-protected. And grow bags just make things a little bit more convenient. Grow bags just make gardening more convenient, especially for those of us that don't have a bunch of land to utilize. And so grow bags are perfect for on top of hard surfaces like the driveway or a porch. You do not want to put this on directly on ground, like dirt ground, because the roots have been known to go through the bottom. And so just make sure that if you are putting this on the ground, on top of soil, make sure that there's like a plastic barrier between the grow bag and the dirt. And the portability is unmatched when it comes to being able to move around grow bags.